How to fix WhatsApp account banned. Hello guys, if you want to fix WhatsApp account banned, first step, go to settings, click apps and notifications, click apps and wait a second for loading and scroll down for search your app WhatsApp, or right here your app WhatsApp. Go to force stop, click OK, and go to storage and click clear data and click OK and click clear cache. After these steps, go to data and turn off Wi-Fi and turn on and turn off mobile data and turn on. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.